皆さん、今日は日本の文法ですよ。今日の文法は、あまりないの文法ですよ。あまりない is used to express not very or not much in a negative sense. It's used when something doesn't happen often or to a great extent. Structure はあまり plus negative verb。例えば、あんまり食べない。これ、絵を見てわかると思います。I don't eat much。もう一つは、あまり話さない。I don't talk much。もう一つは、あまり好きじゃない。I don't like it very much。I'm really working hard to deliver this JLPT and for grammar. Please subscribe our channel. We'll see Atode grammar in next video. Stay tuned with Sabrocus. Matane.